Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common problem with Kit-Cat Klocks, because I know most people get this problem with theirs. And this is a 100th subscriber celebration, by the way. So there's really only one step to this. You just have to rotate the minute hand for a full 24 hours, just like this. So you just want to rotate it like this for a full 24 hours. And normally you have to put it back to 12 o'clock, but it doesn't really matter. It's about 5:06. So hopefully it should start working after you do that. If it doesn't, try doing it a few more times. Because it's actually not a battery problem that causes this, it's actually because of the movement inside the clock. Because what happens, it's a bit of gunk or crap that stops the gears. And when you rotate it through a full 24 hours, all the gears inside the clock will rotate at least once, if not twice. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Again, thanks for 100 subscribers, I really appreciate it. Of course, if I haven't been uploading lately, it's because learning from home has just come back. And I've been busy with that, so I apologise if I haven't uploaded in a while because of that. But anyway, this was just a quick how-to for fixing a problem with most Kit-Cat clocks. I hope this helps. If it does, leave a like. And thanks again for 100 subscribers, and I'll see you guys later.